Well, what else is the discriminant good for? Well, it helps us figure out some pretty cool stuff. Take a look at this equation. If I was giving you an equation like this, okay, if I gave you that equation right there, right? This says I want a value that I can put up front in that equation right there that's going to give me 2 roots. Well, think about this. That right away, as soon as you see distinct roots, as soon as you see something like this, what value of, that tells you use this guy. And remember, we have 3 possibilities. If this is positive, we have 2 roots. If this is negative, okay, we have no roots. And if this is 0, we have 1 root. Look what the question's asking you. The question's asking you for 2 distinct roots. So figure it out. Okay, b squared minus 4ac. b squared minus 4ac. Your b is minus 2. Okay, so minus 2 squared. Minus 4 times a. A is k. c is 1. But that has to give you 2 distinct roots, which means it has to be a positive number. And if you think about it, for it to be a positive number, this has to be greater than 0. Think about that for a second. It has to be bigger than 0. That'll give you a positive number. That's the definition of what a positive number is all about. Okay, so negative 2 squared, that's 4, minus 4 times k times 1 is minus 4k. Boom, bring the negative over. Okay, that's done, that's gone, leaving you minus 4k, bump, 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 minus 4. Now, watch this. When you divide, because remember, this is now an inequality because it has that inequality sign. When you divide by a negative, any inequality divided by a negative means dump, that becomes k, but this flips to 1. There we go. Negative times negative 4 divided by negative 4 is 1, but because you divided by a negative, that gets flipped. So value of k has to be less than 1. But you know for a fact that if we're looking at this guy here, and here's the equation, k squared, kx squared minus 2x plus 1. That k has to be less than 1. But can the k be 0? No, because if the k is 0, that guy's gone and it's no longer a quadratic. So another kind of stipulation you have to put in here is that k cannot equal to 0. So this in fact could be, oh, let's say a half, a quarter, or smaller than 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 5. All of those will give you 2 distinct roots. That's what this question is all about.